So why are you participating in the Youth Robotics Challenge?
I am participating to learn how to program robots and how they operate.
What are you?
In the Youth Robot Challenge.
I'm participating in this challenge to learn more about construction and how parts of a robot would work together.
What are the biggest hurdles your team has faced towards completing the challenge?
For this challenge, really the only problems we've had is the lack of items that we need. We could do things a lot easier if we had, say, more motors or more gears or more cords, but we don't. So we have to work around that and find more advanced or complicated ways of solving problems. So why are you participating in this challenge?
I've always been fascinated with engineering, and this is what I'm ready to express how I like engineering.
What are you hoping to learn?
I'm hoping to gain more experience. I've used Lego Mindstorm before in the past, building smaller robots for not competitions, but just for a personal hobby kind of thing.
Why are you participating in the Youth Robotics Challenge?
Well, I'm very interested in robots, and I have experience with building earlier Lego models, such as the first one and second one. I also play with Lego at home, and so when the announcement came on to have a Lego Robotics Club, I was probably the first one there. Yeah.
So after reviewing the base system that we had with the 4 wheels, we decided to go to a track system, and this is the system here. It's basically the Tracker 3R that the plans came with the NXT robot.
And why'd you want to go with the track system?
It's a fairly fast platform, allows for 360-degree spin and traction.
So David, what's your part in this?
I am the programmer of the robot.
Okay, can you show me a little demonstration? Or show me part of the program?
Yes, that I can do. So the program starts by the robot getting a variable and putting that into keeping track of a variable, and then goes up, and when the program sees more white, the robot turns right, and then when it sees more black than half white and half, then it turns left. With the variable, when it sees the color, and the variable's color that it keeps track of is the same color as the block that it's looking down at, so say the block is red, the program will store the value of 5, and then when the color sensor sees 5 when it's looking down, it will drop the block, which I haven't programmed in yet because the robot's not entirely finished. And additionally, when something is detected in front of the sensor, the robot will stop and make a sound.
So what else? So how much more do you have to do on the programming side?
I have to rotate the motor enough so that I have to program the medium motor so that it changes the position of the color sensor, so it looks up like that, and then it looks down, back at the ground once it has stored the variable. Once it's stored the variable of the color block. And I have to program it. I have to also program the medium motor to drop the block.
Excellent, thank you.
It's a problem.
What?
You break the cable off, Gary.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Now we need to see if it can see. Do you have the black lines drawn yet? No, you're just fiddling.
there.
Over there. No, you're just fiddling.
Right there.
Not fiddling, trying to make sense.
No, you can still see the ground too, right?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
This is not what I'm testing.
What are you testing?
How close the block has to be in order to see it.
Oh, we already know. See, we tested it on Friday.
There. The numbers. 5 is red.
Oh, yeah, any number is right. Just try it with black. With black.
Black is like 1.
Here, just try different colors in front of it, because it has to do all 3.
0 is nothing. It doesn't see it.
Okay, so we can't see it, so we need to get this closer to the ground. Green is 1.
Yellow is pretty sure it's 3.
Yellow is 7.
Green is like...
Green is 1.
1 is black.
Well, then it can't read.
Okay, we
Yes,
got
green and black
It
is the
can't
same
see the
thing.
ground, so I need to move this. So stop twisting. Big problem.
Green is 3.
Is he filming? Oh, he is filming.
I am filming, because this is a typical day at lunch.
Pretty much. This is like what happens every day.
That's its effective green. After that, that's where it picks up.
Except, yeah, normal day. He's trying to get the color system to work. I'm building it. He's fiddling.
Not so much fiddling as
You are fiddling.
fiddling.
You are totally fiddling.
Yellow is 4, which is C's right there.
Do you want to talk about the map that you're going to finish off
Talk
tomorrow?
about your
What
math.
is this? This is
Oh.
the early stages of it. Still
like a
need to
day
draw
on.
in these lines here as well as these parts to it. Figure out where the dump zones need to be and measure everything out. From
How
there.
long do you think that's going to take you?
Could probably be done in a day, if not 2.
You could do it right now if you wanted to.
Probably. I just need the measurements.
Do it. Stop it. Look for something.
You need to make it wind up, go back that farther than that.
Okay.
Also, you should probably make it turn too. Oh, it is turning. Got around it. Into the wires. Get out of here. Turn it off. Turn it off.
I shut it down. It's fine.
Well, he has Bluetooth. It's cool. That's the water that is.
Okay.